Okay, we made it through division area model. Today we're going to practice a little bit more, and we're going to look at what happens if you have a remainder with a division area model. Okay, so we're going to do division area model with remainder. And it's not much different, but it is something to look at. So we're on page 42. I think we're on 45. That one took up a few pages. Okay, so let's write. Today I will divide with remainders using the area model. Okay, let's take a look. So let's say we have 653 divided by 2. First step, we gotta draw our area model. Step 2, bring your divisor over here, bring a multiplication sign. Bring your dividend down for step 3, 652. Count your place values, 1, 2, 3. That's your columns. Okay. 2, we gotta get 2 closest to 600. Can't go over 652. So let's look. How many times can 2 go into 6? 3 times. Gotta make it 100 because it's a place value, so we got 300. So 652 minus 300. Oop, minus 600. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then we got nothing there. Oop, this is supposed to be a 3. Oh, I am a hot mess today, you guys. Okay, so we have 53. We bring that up. Now we have 53 here. How many times can 2 go into 5? Well, 2 can go into 5 2 times. So we can do 20, and that will give us 40. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1. Okay, now we have 13. How many times can 2 go into 13? The closest we can get is 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. So that's the closest we can get. So we have 12. When you have a remainder in your last final place value box, you circle it. Okay? That is to remind you that it's there. So we add up our quotients. So we can do 300 plus 20 plus 6. So we have 6, 2, 326, remainder 1. Okay? So if we want to check our work, we could do 326. Okay, my quotient multiplied by my divisor. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is equal to 653. Is that my dividend? Yep, so it checks out. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's say we have 740 divided by 3. First step, do what? Draw my area model. Then what do I do? Good, I bring my 3, and what sign? Multiplication sign. Then I bring my dividend where? All the way over here in the corner. Count my place value. How many place values do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I need 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many times can 3 go into 7? 2 times, right? So we got 200, which gives us 600. Find the difference. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring that number out. We got 140. How many times can 3 go into 1? It can't, right? How many times can 3 go into 14? Good. 4 times. Which would give us 40. which would give us 120. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring that 20 up. Can 3 go into 2? Nope. Can 3 go into 20? Sure. How many times? Good. 6 is our closest. So we got 18. 10 minus, or 0 minus 8, we can't, so we gotta borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2, so I got a remainder of 2. Add up my partial quotients. I got 200 plus 40 plus 6. So I got 6, 246 plus, remainder 2. Now if I wanted to check, 246 times my divisor, I got 18. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, so 7. Plus remainder of 2 gives me 740. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. It's just a reminder to where to put that and what do you do with that and not to forget about it. So I'm going to give you one to work on tonight. Let's do Let's do 740. No, we already did that one. Let's do a little bit of a harder one. Let's do 3,617 divided by 8. Okay, so draw your area model. Bring your dividend down, bring your divisor down, draw your columns, and then try to think how close can you get to each place value. Okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow.